All right, thank you for joining us, eSIM Studios. We are recording in not in our typical studio. We're here in a public place, but nonetheless, still got to get work done. Got this in the mail today. S24 Ultra. I want to thank Samsung for sending us the exclusive Samsung exclusive color. This is the titanium green color. We've been looking forward to getting this in the mail. So I do want to thank Samsung. Could not wait to get home and record this. I needed to get this out as soon as possible. So let's not wait. Let me zoom out just a little bit. There we go. There we go. All right. Let's see what we got in the box. Could not wait to see this color. Wow. Look at that. My goodness. This is the 512 gigabyte model. Hope that color comes through pretty good on screen. It has the dark border, which I absolutely love. The other ones had the shiny silver color, almost a chrome mid-frame chrome border. This one has the dark borders. Absolutely love it. Really, really good combo. Flat screen feels phenomenal. Got the kind of a grayish metallic S Pen. The other one was a all black. This metallic sure does look good. Very, very nice. More of a boxy frame this time. All right, so let's see what is in the box. Pretty empty. Just a charging cable, I'm sure. Get the SIM tray ejector somewhere, right there. Quick start guide, and then your USB Type-C cable right there. USB-C to USB-C. Let's go ahead and start this up real quick. Now I have the older model here, the S23 Ultra. Let's go ahead and compare the differences here. All right, so I actually don't have the S23 Ultra with me. It is in another location, but I do have the S24 Plus that'll give you a good idea of how big the devices are. The Plus here on the right, and the Ultra here on the left. Still decent size. Looks a lot bigger, even though it's 0.1 inches bigger.
I get up early to have a dog. I sit in the home zone. I get up early, take care of my dog, and then I was over there. She got up, but she couldn't get up anymore. She could walk. So I had to get her on the walker, get her to the bathroom, sit her on the toilet so that I could go
Real nice size.
For her, and then I had to get her up. She was all clean, sit her down, make sure she ate because she wasn't eating. You know, and then she was diabetic, so I had to make sure she had all her pills. No, she didn't want it. She thought both my mom and dad said I didn't want to be able to. And we ordered them.
Get it started. See if it has some battery life. Should have battery life. There we go.
Yeah, so they just made her comfortable. She was pretty high. They put her on market, but she was screaming with games. She was a lot.
Really, really nice looking device.
Because you want to keep her, but I didn't want her stuff for you. That wasn't my mom. Uh, Personally, I haven't really known anybody who's been on this. But, the first plus part is,
Got the S Pen here. You got the speakers, or speaker, bottom firing speaker down here. Got the USB Type C. Man, I love this metallic color. Are y'all seeing that? It's like it's shimmering in the light. Absolutely amazing. I love this. Now, this border, this mid frame that's darker, is only available on the blue, titanium blue, and titanium green. All other color variants have the silver chrome border around the device, but this tint is absolutely amazing. This two-tone is incredible. Wow, very nice looking device. Even though it's 0.1 inches bigger in screen size, it is considerably bigger than the S24 Plus. As you can tell, it should stand up on its own, right? Much bigger than the Plus.
And not being able to for so long. My mom and dad were married for 4 years, never. Yeah, I'm surprised how good my dad did. He shocked me because my brother and I had a conversation. Mom's gonna pass and dad's probably gonna go after. No, I'm gonna let you on my video. You gonna be here taking care of him? Yeah. So yeah, my dad was just an angel. When my mom passed, part of me was relieved because I was so exhausted. Hospital every day, which is, my brother lives in Arizona, so it was just me. I have some, the boys don't want to be there because they're right? So, sons girls, so I was such a mess. And then I felt guilty for me because that was I needed. She only knew my mom, she was scared. But she was the boss. I got so much scarier than my mom. I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. So, yeah.
You have to turn off the Wi-Fi, so it doesn't want to. It's wanting to set it up, and I don't want to set it up. It's just doing the same thing the carrier devices do.
Yeah, but I mean, it makes sense. Like, how many times? Yeah.
Oh, that's in there tight. Damn it.
Yeah, but they said it. He wasn't gonna- He was trying to say, I don't know, the doctor that I don't know either his answers progress or the infection. I told him, I'm like, it's the infection. My dad's been having surgeries every week to watch, and they've said it's on top of it. You're just guessing it out. The infection. So that's why he, whenever he was trying to bounce back after he got the procedure done and everything. Because he was never cured. He was like an infection decided to happen. So he has.
Very nice.
But one thing I'll say is that there's anything that can make it out. I saw.